की तू सिनियर आहा ऑपोजिशन लीडर आहा तो तुवें लीड घेवचें म्हणतो तूं कितें म्हणटा हेजेर
हांवें लीड घेवंक ना म्हणून तूं कित्या वयल्यान म्हणटा हांवें लीड घेवंक ना गेले 2 वर्सां हांवें लीड घेवंक ना म्हणून कित्या वयल्यान म्हणटा सांगला मरे हांवें अलायन्साचेर तें सांगला मरे हांवें लीड घेतल्या ते डिरेक्शनान वचना सगळे एग्री जातात पूण फुडें कांय जायना हो ही सत्य परिस्थिती आहा हांव फोट उलोवंक हांगा येवंक ना खरें तें खरें
आडमये कोण हाडटा विजय बाब आडमये कोण हाडटा खंयचो पक्ष हाडटा
प्रिन्सिपल ऑपोजिशन पार्टीचें काम तुवें आतां कितें म्हणलें की हांव सिनियर पूण हांव ऑपोजिशन लिडर न्ही ऑपोजिशन लिडर हांव आशिल्लो जाल्यार म्हजें काम म्हजी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ती जे भशेन सरकार सांबाळपाची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी प्रमोद सावंताची ती ऑपोजिशन लिडराची ऑपोजिशन
अलायन्स टॉक्स फकत पार्टीच्या मध्ये असताना इट डजंट मॅटर हू इज द ऑपोजिशन लीडर तो पार्टीच्या मध्ये कोण तुमकां कॉपरेट करना
सी द थिंग इज talks happen but you don't score the goal. This is not happening now, this is happening even from the time of Zilla. Everywhere it is happening. We raised our hand, I took them to Fatharda to raise hand, next day again started. So somehow I believe that the opposition is being controlled by the ruling. I am making this charge, being part of the opposition I am making this charge that the opposition is controlled by the ruling. That's the way the things are evolving. But there is still hope. Don't lose hope. Not to say that I'm saying that I'm going to go. There is no ego. I don't have ego. There is no question of ego. I have even at one stage proposed a merger because this unity is not happening a merger. But now that topic is gone. Now lot of water has flown. So let's stick to the point. Let's keep fighting, and whatever unity happens between whichever constituent, let's take it forward. That's all.